I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So anyone who tried to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down.
This is day 5, I suppose. Yesterday was a terrible day. The birds have gotten into our garbage, which was fun. Yesterday it rained all day, and so progress was slower. But we got all the siding on the bottom row, all the windows in, which is a good thing. We got the ridge beam up. The door's not in yet. We made some makeshift stairs. But so far so good. This will be a restroom right here eventually. The kitchen's gonna go over there. Wood stove is gonna be centered between the windows, and then the flue will go up through the joist here. But all in all, it's gone pretty well. It's gone pretty good. Not too bad at all. Pretty good. We've got a lot of spruce bark beetle killed trees that we're going to be taking down. Yeah. When we first started coming up here, all these trees were just fine, but we've had a couple warm winters, and so the beetles have done pretty well. But anyway, back to work.
Careful who you cross, careful who you test. Give me your worst and you'll get my best. 'Cause I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. Careful, I'm a lion, don't test my pride.
Alright, so siding's almost done. Windows are still good. They're done. All of the rafters are in except for the last 4. I've got the boards cut to support them right there. So we'll be getting that siding on, and then goes the roof. Super excited.